Hi, I'm Alvin Wayne, an interior designer, and welcome to my very own apartment here in Long Island City, Queens. So this is an 800 square foot, one bedroom apartment in a new building, but I brought in so many personal touches to make it my own, and I cannot wait to show you around. So when you enter my home, you're greeted with this neon sign. It says, "Kiss Me, Carl," and yes, it's Karl Lagerfeld. This was a window display for his makeup line, and my friend was actually gonna trash it, and I was like, no, I need it. It's a perfect wow factor, and you always wanna start everything off with a bang or a kiss. And right off the entryway is the dining room lounge. The vibe that I wanted for this room was that you were having a night out on the town. I wanted it to feel fun, dramatic, and unexpected, like any great night out on the town. It all started with this banquette. Isn't it lovely? It's made of olive green velvet with a walnut base. I designed this round table specifically for this space. It's made from teak and features these sculptural legs that give it whimsy and visual interest in the most unexpected way. I further defined the space with this removable wallpaper in a tropical theme. And on the opposite wall, I placed an oversized antique mirror. It makes the space feel larger and reflects the light in the city beautifully. Oh, and I can't forget my Fornasetti plates. I brought in all new light fixtures throughout the entire apartment. What's great about this light, besides looking good, is that it's low profile. And that's a great tip if you have low ceilings. This is a place that really makes you feel like you're in the VIP room, minus the bottle charge. I'm serious about design, but trust me, I want you to have fun while you're here. And that begins with the look, right? And the key to the design of this living room was to keep the furniture low to maximize the view. And what a view it is. This sofa is so comfortable. It's leather, and it has lines that are reminiscent of mid-century modern design. I love these chairs because they're sculptural and they're in a boucle fabric, which is very comfortable. I love to bring luxurious materials into any room that I design. And this brass and marble table does just that. Underneath, there's a cowhide rug, and it complements these materials beautifully. There's actually no overhead lighting in this room, so I had to bring it in. I did that with this mantis wall light that comes out of the column. Because of the floor-to-ceiling windows, I really only have one wall, so I really had to make it count. Again, I went with removable wallpaper. This one in a concrete finish. Nothing says New York like concrete. So conventional wisdom says in a small space you go lighter, but I say paint it black, and that's exactly what I did here behind the bed. It somehow makes this small bedroom feel endless. I love to mix pattern, and I did that in the carpet, the bedding, and even the headboard has a pattern. As in most New York apartments, rooms need to have dual purpose, and this also serves as my office. For the desk, I use a console table, and that's a great tip. Console tables tend to be thinner and take up less space, but they provide the perfect amount of surface area to get your work done. I have my mood board there and my samples, and I work to the sound of the city. Well, that's my home here in Queens. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you can see how, with a few choice furnishings, accessories, wallpaper, and lighting, you can make any space feel like you, and that's the most important thing.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?